How to convert coins in the Binance app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert coins in the Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Then tap on Trades at the bottom of the screen to access the trading options. Next, tap on Convert from the list of trading options. Now, tap on the From section and select the coin you want to convert. This is the cryptocurrency you are selling. Then, tap on the To section and choose the coin you want to receive. This is the cryptocurrency you will be buying. Enter the amount of the From coin that you want to convert into the To coin. You can either type in the amount manually or use the percentage buttons to select a portion of your available balance. Now tap on Preview Conversion to review the details of the conversion, including the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.